Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about global minimum corporate tax, how it would be a game changer. Our today's question is the proposal for minimum global corporate income tax could be a game changer. We have to comment on it. It means we need to provide pros and cons about it, then what need to be done, and then conclusion. You can start with the definition of corporate tax. Let's start. Significance of this question that can be asked in GS paper 3 under the growth and development and government policies and interventions. Our introduction would be tax and corporate tax is direct tax levied on the net income or profit of a corporate entity from their business, foreign or domestic. Recently, the US Treasury Secretary has urged G20 nations to move towards a global minimum corporate tax. The US proposal envisages a 21% minimum corporate tax rate. Global response about this proposal: IMF supported this proposal. Then European nations including Germany and France also supported it. Then India shared that we will look into pros and cons of new proposal and take view thereafter. China will have definite issues with it as Hong Kong is the seventh largest tax haven in the world. This move will affect the competitiveness of Hong Kong. Then how it will be a game changer? It promote one world, one tax. Then India will get more benefits because India have more efficient manpower and skill as compared to the other countries. Then it directly reduce dominance of smaller countries and allow to provide fixed access to all. Then it help us to reduce black money. Then every country get their guaranteed returns in future and also maintain equality. Then it help businesses to spread and every company gets suitable exemption in all countries. Then what are the concerns related to this proposal? It reduces autonomy of a country in making decisions related to tax. We can say in simple word we can say it violates our sovereignty. Then small countries who have low corporate tax has no other option for their economy. They may collapse in future. Then it may curtail the development of developing countries. Then global minimum tax rate will do little for the to tackle the tax evasion. Then what is way forward? What need to be done? New companies should be promoted with subsidized tax. Then government must engage with global players to ensure that the interest of developing countries are not harmed. Then global discussion on corporate tax is needed. Then provision of penalty is also important if a corporate firm is switching frequently. Our conclusion would be, to conclude we can say it's a welcome step. We must appreciate it. It might be a game changer if global discussion with that more tax on wealthy people for welfare and stable tax system for government to reduce the lack of revenue. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai